One cool cat. High in the frosty mountains, a spotted hunter creeps through the snow. It's a snow leopard. This is a tough place to live, but this big cat is perfectly suited for its snowy home. Boys and girls, pause the video while you write your first name, last name, and date at the bottom of your Scholastic News. Suited for the snow. As you read, think about how the snow leopard's body keeps it safe and warm in its home. A snow leopard curls up on the icy ground. It has snow all over its fur, but the snow leopard is cozy and comfortable. How? Its body helps keep it warm and safe in its freezing cold habitat. Warm and cozy cats. Snow leopard's thick fur is an adaptation. An adaptation is something that helps an animal survive where it lives. Snow leopards have other adaptations that keep them comfy in the snowy mountains. They have thick, fluffy tails. A snow leopard can wrap its tail around itself like a scarf to warm up. Snow leopards even have fur on the bottom of their paws. That keeps them nice and warm as they walk through the snow. Powerful hunters. Adaptations help these spotted leopards hunt too. Their fur is camouflage. The fur blends in with the rocks and lets snow leopards hide. It's easy for them to sneak up on an animal to eat it. Once a snow leopard creeps up behind a sheep or goat, it pounces. A snow leopard has strong legs. It can leap far and fast to catch its food. The mountains are a tough place to live, but a snow leopard's adaptations keep it warm, safe, and well fed. By Blair Ransford. Spotting leopards. Snow leopards are great at hiding. That makes it hard for scientists to study them. So scientists look for clues snow leopards leave behind, like paw prints or claw marks on trees. Then they set up cameras where they can find these clues. The cameras take pictures of the snow leopards that walk by. The scientists look at the photos and learn more about these mysterious cats. Can you find the snow leopard in this photo? Snow leopards live in the mountains of Asia. Can you lie in the snow and still stay warm? Snow leopards can. Look at the diagram, then answer the questions. The snow leopard diagram. It has a long tail. The tail keeps it balanced and can be used to keep it warm. It has strong legs. They help it make jumps up to 30 feet long. Its fur is covered in spots. The spots blend in with the rocks and help the leopard hide. It has a nose. The nose keeps the air warm as it breathes. Question 1. How long a jump can a snow leopard make? Up to 4 feet, up to 30 feet, or up to 100 feet? How long a jump can a snow leopard make? 4 feet, 30 feet, or 100 feet? Question 2. Which one does a snow leopard use to breathe? Its nose, its fur, or its tail? Which one does it use to breathe? Question 3. Which one of these does not help a snow leopard stay warm? Its tail, nose, or legs? Which one does not help it stay warm? Tail, nose, or legs? Question 4. Which part works as camouflage? Its legs, its nose, or its fur? Which part works as camouflage? Its legs, its nose, or its fur? Bonus question. Which body part does a snow leopard use like a scarf? Draw a check mark on that part. Which part does it use like a scarf? Draw a check mark.
The ocean may seem peaceful, but it is a dangerous place. There are all kinds of animals that want to eat you. How can you stay safe from these predators? It's easy. You just disappear. The color and shape of your body helps you blend into your surroundings. This is called camouflage. Many animals use it to avoid being eaten. Camouflage is an adaptation. Adaptation is something animals have that helps them survive in their habitat. Adaptations can help animals under extreme temperatures. Many animals have furry flanks that have thick fur and a layer of fat to keep them warm. Some animals have adaptations that protect them from predators. Turtles have a hard shell. If a predator tries to attack a turtle, the turtle will have its head and legs inside the shell. The shell uses that same to absorb heat and gas. Adaptations can help animals hide. Some bats have pointed ears. Ears help them find insects flying in the dark night. Then they can swoop down and gobble the insects up. Some lizards have an adaptation that helps them catch food that's far away. Their tongues. These animals have long, sticky tongues that can quickly shoot out and grab insects. For some animals, behavior is an adaptation. Winter comes, weather starts to get cold, and it gets unsettled. They spend the winter in a warmer place. Animals live all over the world on harsh environments. Adaptations help them survive. What is one adaptation you learned about? Talk about it. See you soon.
Boys and girls, you are going to complete a snow leopard crossword. Please put your first name, last name, and date on the line. You're going to use your Scholastic News article to complete this crossword. Here's our word bank of words that are going to go in these boxes. We have adaptation, camouflage, habitat, mountains, pounce, and snow leopard. We're going to use the clues to help us solve this puzzle. So these are the across clues. The across ones go this way. The down clues go up and down. So our first across clue is number 3. It says snow leopards spend most of their time living and hunting in the blank. So I'm going to go into my Scholastic News and I'm going to look for where snow leopards spend most of their time living and hunting. So I'm then going to go into my Scholastic News and see where snow leopards spend their time living and hunting. Is it adaptation, camouflage, habitat, mountains, pounce, or snow leopard? It's mountains. So for number 3, I'm going to write mountains. And I put one letter in each box. Like that. Then we'll go to our next clue, which is number 5 across. Blank helps snow leopards hide from their prey. Is it adaptation, camouflage, habitat? We already used mountains, so not that one. Pounce or snow leopard. Something helps snow leopards hide from their prey. And number 5 across is here. And I'm going to use my Scholastic News to find out that it's camouflage. So I'm going to put one letter in each box. Then when I'm done, all the words from this word bank will be in the crossword. They will all fit. So like number 4 starts with the letter S. And number 1, the 4th letter is going to be an I. And they're all going to fit together like a beautiful puzzle. Can't wait to see.